Ça va aller.
We're surrounded! We have to hold this line! Hold your ground! Maintain your position! Maintain your position!
We came from all over the world. So many of us thinking this war would be our rite of passage, our great adventure. Let me tell you, it was no adventure.
Flame trooper! Let us Keep shooting!
killing machines, like the tank, changed the shape of the war overnight. Luckily, they were mostly on our side. Mostly.
Our boys in the church are overrun. We need to push through. PBI are counting on us. Use the M&G! Sweep the ground! Keep going, driver! That's our fly boys up there! Keep your eyes on the ground, son! They're moving in from the trenches! Use that machine gun! Mow them down! We've got them on the run! Push on! Forward! For king and country! We'll chase Fritz all the way back to Berlin! Field gun, you take it! Hold on! We're pushing through! Left side, field gun! Good shot! Let's open a path for our lads! Move up with the rest of the armor! Focused, men! Push on, damn it! We're almost through! Fire at anything that moves! We're gonna make it! Shit! Incoming!
Instead of adventure, we found fear. And in war, the only true equalizer is death.
Charge!
push, we push. Every once in a while, we push hard enough that the light breaks through the clouds, and a world beyond the war glimmers, just out of reach. The war is the world, and the world is the war. But behind every gun sight is a human being. We are those people. We are the jaded, we are the naive, we are the honorable and the criminal. We are the bound for legend and the lost to history. We are the knights of the sky, the ghosts in the desert, and the rats in the mud. These are our stories. As the old empires struggled to assert themselves, the entire world was caught in an inevitable cataclysm. The war covered the globe. Old empires and new worlds. Old ways and new ideas. All of mankind fought. 100 big ideas marched off into the war to end all wars. It was consuming us all, and there was no end in sight. My granddad fought in the Civil War. Before I left, he told me what it takes to stay alive, but nothing could have prepared me for what I saw. New machines of war, like the tank, could sometimes change the battlefield overnight. Luckily, they were mostly on our side. Mostly.
Edward.
Sir.
Townsend. Come on, you miss all the fun.
All artillery! Fire!
Been looking at your papers.
Don't worry about me, sir. I'm ready to do my bit for king and country.
Listen, son, you find forward and reverse when you're told you'll do all right for me. Grab those, would you? Come and meet Big Bess. Woman of your dreams. And our new driver, boys.
Whoa, no, don't swear. She does not like it when you swear. Finch,
It was
We've done this before.
Done what before?
Mind your business, Manus. Listen, don't worry. She'll look after you, yeah?
All right, boys. This is the big one. Our orders are to punch through the German line, destroying artillery positions as we go. Finch.
Yes, sir.
After that, we'll advance on the French town of Cambrai, where I have been assured there is wine, women, and song. So you should enjoy that.
Ha, McManus won't. Jesus. Are we in safe hands or what, boys?
All right, McManus. Remember, boys, do your jobs, take care of each other. Big Bess will take care of you.
May the Lord have mercy on our souls.
We'll get through this together, right, Edwards?
Right, sir.
Full ahead, driver!
That damn bird is shedding.
Molting, McManus! Bird's molt!
I'll pluck every feather off that damn...
Easy there. That pigeon could save your life. It's our only line of communication. Get up there, Edward!
Yes! Starting to get the hang of it.
What'd you do back home?
Drove. A car. I was a chauffeur.
All stop! This is far enough. Infantry will go on the first whistle. Then we follow. Heavens above. You ever seen anything like this?
I have, I'm sorry to say.
Listen, we're going to cut down the guns up by that windmill. Give our boys some room. That's our cue. Full ahead!
Fire incoming!
Artillery's tearing the boys apart!
Don't let those deaths be for nothing. Move!
They got one of ours!
Eyes front, drive! We're moving slow. Finch, what's the matter?
Engine's fine, sir. It's the mud. Feel good!
Move and get a clear shot of those fields.
I appreciate not being a target. Move, boy!
Those field guns are shredding their outfit. Look where that shot came from, and let them have it.
Engine's fine! We can keep it moving!
One less MG. Hold position here. Clean out all the German guns.
Come on! The Brits don't give up, let's enforce them!
Target down.
Brits on the retreat!
That's it. Hold them. Keep them suppressed.
We are righteous men!
Good job, lads. Now we take the next trench line.
Fun to keep them come!
Keep your eyes peeled for more of those guns, lads. Come on, hold it together. That's one less machine gun.
Take a look at that!
Field gun, flat it. Move fast. machine gun! Hold here and clear the area. We should have time to move up. That's black! We're showing him light! Cannon's gonna slow us down. Hit it! Engine's okay back here, sir. It's all right. Still going down. We're kicking through the land. Good job. And remember, the day's still young. We're heading for the ruins, clearing a path for the infantry. Hold this position. Mop up the remaining Jerry's. You're okay, but what close shot? New boy! Field gun is done! Spencer goes in! That landship will rip our boys apart. Edwards, get us in! Gunners, go for the south spots! We need to get back into the fight! Time to move on! Great work, lads! It's time to move on! Heavy to raining fire! Heads down! Roll dead! Can't move it! Finch! I need you out there to take a look. Watch your roads, Finch! Edwards, get on and lend him a hand!
Words? Edwards! You good? You sure? Thanks!
Together. Get us to that village, driver. There are police holed up there. How many of those are we going to take? It's gone. Move on. Wipe out that field gun through! Incoming! You need talk! Move! Great job, lads. Let's find the rest. She's fixed! Get a move on! Hit that gun and move! Quickly, shut down that gun! That's two! Keep at them, boys! That was the last one! Village is ours! Hurry with that field gun! Take that gun and move! Tear that MAG to pieces! Give them hell, lads! We're taking this position! Someone has our ticket! Anti-tank grenade! Bleeding hell, are we all right? Keep pushing on, lads! Taking this spot! You got it! Got him! One more down! Field gun, flatten it! Gunship incoming!
Yes, that will shut them up!
Good! Watch out! Edwards, take us over! Put the gun! Clear the bridge of any German defenses! Field gun, right now! More gun, mutt! Throttle up! Push through! They were waiting for us! Get us moving!
Shit!
Can't get any traction! Push him back, lads!
Get off that, you
We're
sweet
barrel
scum!
here!
No traction, sir. I can't move her. Come on! Come on, then!
Richard! Pigeon! Are you out of your mind? You're gonna get us all killed! Edward's behind you! Edwards! Release the pigeon! That is an order, son! Do you understand me? Sir! Messenger pigeon! Incoming fire! Message coming in!
Orders! Sir, new fire mission. It's Downton, sir. Sir. 3, 6, 4, turn! Double barrel! Let's go!
Here it comes, boys. Nice serving with your lads. You have the look of the devil, Townsend.
Is that right?
All we got out here is blind orders and chance. Which you'll do for us first, you reckon?
I'm sick of your lip, McManus.
Aye, sir.
Edward, start her up. Mine's backing up.
Big miss. Give us a break. Give us a break. Come on. Come on, miss. Come on, stop. Stop, big miss. Stop. It stopped. Are you just gonna stand there? Hell. There's fog up ahead. I can't see more than 20 yards.
We're pushing through. Edwards, I'll drive. You jump out and scout ahead. Don't be a hero, lad. Just do your job.